chance to build a future. Make a new life.
Hey! Watch out!
Valentine. This is for my mother. This is for Pandora Shaw.
Stay here.
I've got you! Let go of me!
Tom! Tom!
Look at me! Look at me. This is what he does when he gets in his way. Ask him why he murdered my mother. Ask him about Hester Shaw.
No! I tried. I tried to stop her.
It's not your fault.
She was saying the craziest things, and then she just...
What did she say?
You need a doctor.
No. What did she say, Tom?
She said you murdered her mother.
Murder. That's an ugly word. I'm sorry you had to hear that.
Oh, I should go.
Yeah, you should. It's all right, it's all right. I'm okay. I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Kate, I'm sorry. There was nothing I could do.
What do you mean?
They were fighting. Tom and the girl. The railing broke.